Hi you guys, it's me, Keymora, and I'm back with a little makeup tutorial. Not a makeup, but I'm gonna be doing my makeup and I'm gonna be walking through what I'm doing because I feel like it, and no one can tell me no. No one can tell me no. But there's a black stain on my shower curtain. I just want to point that out because if you're black, you know what a quick weave is, and the glue is black when it dries. So yeah, it's not for me, it's for my older sister. Although I do quick weaves, that mess is not for me. So my hair's already back behind my ears, but I'm gonna put these clips, these like creaseless clips in my hair because I can. I got them from Urban, like, I don't know when, but I did my skincare routine like an hour ago maybe, so I'm also banned from doing makeup in my bathroom, which sucks because it's my bathroom. My mom's like, you are not picking up the makeup off your drawers, because sometimes I go inside my drawers and that's an issue. So today I'm gonna go out to dinner. It's like lunch and dinner. Hopefully it's just dinner. I'm going out to dinner tonight, and I'm also gonna go see the Black Panther movie before or after, one of the above, but I'm just getting ready now because I hate being rushed. Like it's one of the things that I just hate. I just don't like being rushed when I'm getting ready. So oh my gosh, am I out of primer? Okay, I'm using the Black Radiance primer, matte and poreless. I love this primer. I swear by it. You guys can get it at Target. I'm pretty sure this is a drugstore product too, if I'm not mistaken. And I put that on my face. I don't put it on my nose. If you have like oily skin, don't put product on your nose. I swear it's literally just gonna melt the fuck off your face. Gonna melt off. So it's also October 12th today. I'm just gonna slick my eyebrows down because I do have curly eyebrow hair, which is kind of a pet peeve of mine. Not even a pet peeve. I have curly eyebrow hair, so I have to like slick it down so it doesn't curl, because just my natural eyebrows with nothing, it's not a look. I also have some schoolwork I have to do. I just have to edit TikToks for my yearbook class and submit photos for the yearbook, but like let's just talk about school for a second. So I'm done with high school. January 26th is my last day. I have all my credits to graduate, so I'm not staying the full school year. I actually don't know what I'm going to be doing in the meantime before actual graduation. I think my plan is to work my booty off for school, but like I don't really know. I've also heard back from 2 colleges, so I'm pretty excited about that. I applied to 10 and I heard back from 2 already, and I've got accepted to both of them. I'm waiting to hear back from 8 more. So there's my eyebrows, which are just slicked back. I always do this. I've been doing the same makeup routine for who knows. I take care of my skin, so my skin isn't that bad. When I don't, it gets really bad because I wear makeup every day, and not washing off the makeup, it's just not good because like me, I don't clean my makeup brushes. So my makeup brush is just full of makeup and probably bacteria because I don't clean my makeup brushes, and who knows what's on my face because I never clean my phone, and I'm always on the phone with someone. So like I was literally on the phone with someone I was actually on the phone with my mentor this morning for like an hour, which I don't know. I never talked to her in the mornings usually, but I did today because I wanted to tell her my exciting news. I'm using the Morphe Glow Stunner. I don't know the name of it. But I'm just gonna carry that down my neck. I'm using this brush. It's like a fluffy brush. I use a brush for a more airbrush like look. I don't use a beauty blender because I don't really wear like heavy makeup. Like you can still see the tiny little beauty marks, moles that I have on my face. So that's how little, it's like a skin tint basically. Use it up under my eyes. I'm just gonna put it right there. Like this is where I put it. Oh my gosh. I put it right there. And then I also use the e.l.f. You guys can get these at any drugstore, any like, you guys can get this at any convenience store. I am literally losing my crap right now. I am losing it. So I use that. I need to tell you guys the shade. My Morphe shade is 30, Rich Glow 12. And if you guys can find this concealer, Born to Glow by NYX, I am the shade Golden Honey. And in the e.l.f., I'm Tan Latte. So, and I'm using this beauty blender from Target, which I blend out in the space that I want my concealer. This is kind of just a highlight point. I'm not really concealing anything on my face. Although I have a lot of blemishes, I don't really conceal them. I feel like the skin tint does a good job at doing that. Even though it's like super sheer. I'm concealing like all the blemishes right here though. I also have a scar on my face too, so I'm concealing that. And then I go up under my eyes. I kind of pinch my brush that teensy bit. Yeah. But I feel like I'm at the highest. I always say this because I always feel like it, but I feel like I'm at my high in life, but I'm also like at my mental lowest. Like every single time, yeah. I feel like I'm at my peak in life. Just kidding. Definitely not. But I'm turning 18 next month and I don't know how to feel about it because I'm gonna be a grown-up. And what do grown-ups do? What do grown-ups do? I'm literally taking a class right now to see like how to survive after high school. Like the class is called Survival After High School. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna like pinch it up so my face looks a little bit more lifted. If you know, you know. Yeah. I like doing my makeup every morning. I really do like getting ready. I feel like that's kind of a hobby. Is it a hobby? I really don't know, but I feel like it is. And I'm claiming getting ready as a hobby. If you don't like that statement, you are not one of them. So if you get it, you get it. It's kind of like that because not everyone has to get it. Not everyone should get it. It's like the thing. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna carry the rest of this out because the colors are kind of weird right now. Maybe it's the lighting. I always go back in with this brush because it has like some of my skin tint in it, which kind of just neutralizes everything on my face. I feel like it does. I really don't. I couldn't tell you if it does or doesn't. I just am convinced that it does that. And then I drag whatever concealer's on my sponge and I just drag them on my nose for like highlight purposes. So not to go back in with concealer again because that's a no bueno. That's a dead mission. Unless we're doing like a heavy ass face of makeup, which I'm not doing today. And I'm sorry for cussing. I will bleep it out. They changed the price of this can used to be $16. I think now it's $17, which is insanity. I mean, not 17, 18. I think the price of that's 18. I know when I bought it, it was 17. But when I bought it a year ago, it was 16. So I'm like, wow. Inflation at its finest. I have 2 different shades of this. I just used shade 35, deep. I just used deep shade 35 in Fit Me, the powder, the loose powder. And then up under my eyes, I use shade 30 for up under my eyes. And I also use a brush instead of a sponge. So like the whole application process is different. I press the powder into my skin. Compared to up under my eye, I just slightly brush it up under. Yeah. Gives more of an airbrush look when I do that. I'm gonna try out for like a regular job. I've never had a job before, and I know that's gonna come now or later in life, so I'm gonna be working a job, maybe. Yeah. So my only ever jobs is interning and tutoring, but like those aren't like real jobs, if that makes sense. I don't know if that made sense. I don't know if that makes sense at all, but I keep looking up because there's a mirror right behind this. Yeah. So I don't know how to feel about having a real job, like being in uniform and stuff is kind of weird to me because I've never had to do that. Like I've always had like, with my internships, I could wear what I want to wear. With my tutoring job, I just had to wear appropriate clothes for the children to see. Or like the work shirt that they gave, which I never wore. Like, I literally only wore it as a pajama shirt. That's it. Next, I'm bronzing up my skin with this. Got it in Target. It's the True Complexion contour palette. And I'm in medium to dark. Because I am a medium to dark skin tone. I love buying sets of brushes. I feel like it saves me money. Although that isn't the case all the time. I have individual brushes that I've bought in. Like, I don't know why eyeshadow brushes should be costing $20 for one tiny brush. But one day I'll be there when I'm just like, oh, I bought this brush, it was $20. Like one day it'll be casually, just not now. Because I feel like that's really outrageous for a price of a brush. I would say I'm gonna link the product down below, but like, I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't feel like it. Like I feel like that's like an extra step. I could probably like put the prices on the screen or something. Should I start doing that from here on out? I don't know. But here's my contouring and stuff. This is looking a little bit harsh right on my face. Gotta blend that out. Because you're not supposed to know where your makeup starts and where your makeup ends. If people know where your makeup starts and where your makeup ends, you're literally not doing it right. Okay? Like, simple facts. Here's how the face is looking. I'm using the NARS.
Hello, what are you doing? Oh shit.
I'm doing a makeup video.
I really have to do Keymora.
Now it's gonna stink in here.
I mean, what the fuck? Can I do? This is a bathroom.
Yeah, and I'm doing bathroom activities.
Okay, can I do?
There's a bathroom downstairs.
Exactly. So